The pass is incomplete. The punt bounces to the end zone for a touchback. Jackson State will take over first and 10.
The niggas just right here in our face. They definitely coach deals out. Just a bit. Damn! Niggas over there playing Space Mountain. Shit! Hey, boy. Nigga said dog pound. Shut your dumb ass up. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This is a battle of the Titans. Yeah, they smashed that last one. I'm going 3-2 platinum phone. Huh? I'm going 3-2 platinum phone. 3-2? With that last one.
The pass is incomplete.
I don't know. It's something about Ted from Tone. Them niggas over there stacking them nose, boy. That shit coming smooth across. Yeah, bro. They got it over there. I can just imagine what they sound like up close. Are they gonna play something? Man, y'all niggas gotta run something. Come on, man.
Moultrie with the carry. It's third down.
They did play first.
Yeah.
And then played again. Then them niggas played. But fuck that. Run my mouth.
Yeah,
So you got another one. Give me another one.
Look like the F one standing up.
Oh, they're going to leave that where it's at.
The pass is incomplete. It's fourth down.
Monkey crashes over there trying to get it in.
Say who?
The monkey crashes.
Oh, yeah, I've been seeing them. Hey.
My nigga got on the 85 Jordan jersey for real. Shorts included. Looking nice, nigga.
You ain't even on vacation.
My nigga Rookie Jordan in this hoe.
You're not even on vacation. That's when you wear shorts when you're on vacation. Not that short, man. I got drunk. Matter of fact, so I went to the barbershop earlier today. You know what I'm saying? Straight barbershop. Mind you, the niggas that be chopping.